In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add contact to Klaviyo list. If you are building your email marketing efforts, adding the right contacts to the right list is one of the most important setup tasks. In Klaviyo, this process is straightforward, and once you know where the controls are, you can repeat it quickly for future contacts and segments. To begin, you will open your Klaviyo account and look at the left side menu. In the menu, click Audience, then select Lists and Segments. Taking this step first matters because Klaviyo organizes contacts through lists, and lists and segments is where you can manage them. After you click Lists and Segments, you should see the dashboard area where your existing lists are displayed. This is the section you will use to find the exact list you want to add the contact to. Next, once you are on the Lists and Segments page, click the name of your list. Choose the list that matches where you want the person to receive messages. This step matters because every list can have different settings, permissions, and messaging strategies. By selecting the correct list, you ensure that the contact goes into the right place and follows the right communication flow. After you have selected the list, you will look for the option to add a profile. In the interface for that specific list, click Add Profile. You might notice that the list view changes after selecting the list, because Klaviyo is now showing you the management area for that particular list. This is an important moment in the process, because adding a profile is not done at the general dashboard level. It is done within the specific list so the contact is stored correctly. Now that you are on the Add Profile area, you can enter the email information for the contact. Klaviyo typically requires an email field, since email is the primary identifier for many marketing actions. Take a moment to double-check the email value you enter. Accuracy is important because a mistyped email can send the contact to the wrong destination or create confusion in your contact records. Once you have entered the email, review the entry to make sure it is correct. If the screen shows any additional input fields related to the profile, you can fill them if needed based on what Klaviyo offers in that Add Profile form. However, the key action in these instructions is entering the email into the Add Profile form, because that is what allows Klaviyo to create or update the contact entry associated with your list. After you confirm that the email is entered correctly, submit the Add Profile action. This finalizes the profile addition to your selected Klaviyo list. Depending on your Klaviyo interface, the confirmation might be shown by the page refreshing, a success message appearing, or the contact appearing in the list results. At this point, the contact will be part of your list and ready for you to use in your marketing workflow, based on your list rules and any automations you have set up. Clam it all up. You started by going to Audience, then Lists and Segments. Then you selected the specific list you wanted. From there, you clicked Add Profile and entered the contact email. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.